Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. It's going to be mostly sunny and warm this afternoon across much of the country, and we're expecting particularly hot temperatures over parts of western South Africa. On the other hand, light rain is forecast later on this afternoon along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Then on Wednesday, a cold front is set to hit the western parts of the country. Now here's what we are seeing on the latest satellite picture. This area of high pressure is pushing rain clouds into parts of the east coast. We also have high-level clouds still covering the southern parts of the country. Otherwise, clear skies are now dominating the weather across the rest of South Africa. Then we are looking at this cold front, which is still in the Atlantic Ocean, but is slowly making its way towards the western parts of the country. So the remainder of your Tuesday is going to look more like this. It's going to become increasingly cloudy along parts of the east coast, with light rain forecast from the Wild Coast pushing into the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas and the easternmost parts of the province. High cloud is going to continue to cover the southern sections. It's going to be mostly sunny and warm for much of the interior, and we're expecting big winds to allow for hot afternoon temperatures over the westernmost parts of the country. Now you can expect up to a 40% chance of light rain later on this afternoon over parts of the east coast and the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, as well as the eastern sections of the province. Light to moderate winds are forecast for the rest of your day across much of the interior. Southeasterlies for Richards Bay and Durban. It's going to be rather breezy with a northeasterly airflow for East London and Port Elizabeth, and we're expecting mostly a northwesterly airflow around the Cape Peninsula. Now here's how hot it's going to be over the western areas. Vredendal is set to shoot to around 35 degrees, 29 for Cape Town, also pretty warm for George and Graafrenet, a high of 28 for Appington. Fairly comfortable temperatures are forecast for the central and northeastern sections. 25 for the highs in Kimberley, Mahikeng, as well as Pretoria. Pretty warm for Mbombela. Durban will also peak at around 25 degrees, a mild 23 for East London and Bishop. Here's looking ahead to your Wednesday. Light rain is expected to set in early for Cape Town, where temperatures will peak at just 17 degrees, mostly sunny across much of the interior. Light rain is going to persist around Richards Bay. Then on Thursday, it's going to become increasingly wet and cloudy, as well as cooler over the western and southern parts of the country. That's it from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.